Guys, welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys can see me. It's just adjusted, you know, looking a little bit different. Yeah, new haircut. It's not too bad. Little skin fade. I don't know. I always just do short and back on the side. Who really cares? But anyway, we got unboxing. As you can see, packages have arrived. This is, I think, box logo week. If you didn't watch the live cop, we did buy a bunch of stuff. We did buy a really big personal as well, so we're going to be showing you that as well. You probably see on the thumbnail, hopefully. Guys, leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff if you are enjoying this type of content, these unboxings, and well, more. Hopefully in the future we'll be doing more of this. The more you support, the more I can do, if you get what I mean. It's all free at the end of the day. I don't want to sound like a beg, but I am. We're going to unboxing week 17. There might also be some from previous weeks. I don't know if one of those boxes has hats in it, but we'll get into it. So yeah, let's check it out. For some reason was already opened. I know why. It's because I wanted to take a little peek. And ooh, it's the Difference 6 panels. These were very nice. These are very nice. These actually did really well last season. Surprisingly, I think they're quite slept on, but you know, this season people were on the ball with these. These sold out relatively quick. This is the 6 panel in the packaging. This one is the tan version. I wanted to try and do like a full 4-cart one, but we didn't know the colors, and this one kind of fucked with me because it was color tan, not olive. People thought it was olive, but well. But yeah, I had to manual cop this, and it was pretty easy. I think a lot of people were distracted by box logos and not actually going for the things that were, you know, actually selling, because we've actually sold this one in the tan. Paid £46, sold it for £80. That's not a bad ROI, if I have to say that myself. But yeah, this one is sent off, and that'll be going to the customer, sending it off tomorrow. What else does it say? It says Rail Tree Edge, and I believe it says there is a difference on the back, which is pretty cool. A little sponsor by me. If you do want stuff, what I do, buy and sell. Check out my eBay store if you are interested. If you are from the UK, perhaps I might consider US shipping, but obviously that costs a lot more. I'll be in the hands of the buyer, but you know, if you are interested, you can go on my Instagram as well. It's called Zek Drop. So same one as this. This one is the black version. Yeah, this one is the black version. I do kind of like this. No one's bought this yet, so I'm gonna open it. So this is the black one. Very nice indeed, actually. Look at that. You got the bit at the back. There is a difference. I think the style of hat actually is really nice as well. I would consider having this one. I might think about having this one. I don't know. It looks really nice. I do like the font on the front. Never thought I'd be a fan of Real Tree camo though, so that's pretty cool. I must say it's actually really nice. So yeah, I'm surprised. I'm not surprised that they're out selling relatively well. Stop focusing on me. Focus on the hats. There we go. Yeah, this one is the black. Ah, yes, I know what this one is. So I went and bought. This was after the live cop. I was quite interested in a particular hat that was not shown, but they actually showed it. But the first, a new personal. We have the box logo in the navy colorway. I do like this one. It looks very nice. And I haven't had a beanie in a while, so, you know, I've got all the bits on, but we're going to slap it on. Because who really cares? It looks nice. I like it, the navy. The navy is looking pretty lush. I don't know how you style this beanie, to be honest. But if I had to style it, I normally like it bobbly up the back. My old beanie that I had from like 2018, 2019 got stolen by my sister. I actually forgot to like get it at her house, and now she currently owns it for her personal collection, but oh well. I don't really mind. Yeah, this is the one that I was interested in. It was the Paragn cap. Now this one is a different colorway. This one is the tan plaid, and now if you don't recognize this one's actually based off the plaid from the Reversible puffer jacket. This one actually was never shown until, you know, everything dropped, and nobody knew about this colorway until it dropped. It was meant to be like a red, a black, and I'm not even sure, it was like a white one or something. But yeah, this one looks pretty nice. It's giving me like the Burberry vibes. That's the only reason why I went for it. I thought, you know what, it's a cool little long-term hold. This sold out now. Interesting fit. I've never seen the fit before. It's like kind of falls on the top, but oh, it's even got the brand name. It's a brand name, Paragn. Perhaps that's the reason. It's got very nice, you know, Supreme leather strap on the back. Navy box logo, like a dark navy box logo with the tan plaid. I think this is a cool hole, actually. I like this colorway. This one, I think, actually sold out, so like I mentioned. It was there for quite a while, and then I think people realized it and thought, you know what, this is the better colorway. This is the one that sold out first. So yeah, I wasn't really interested in like, you know, having a balaclava as personal. At the time I was like, you know what, I don't want this. But then I saw it in hand and I was like, hang on a minute, that's pretty unique. And the prices were like, what, £30 for a balaclava? And it still sounds expensive, but it's quite unique. That was the more unique one. Hopefully my editing guy will put a little clip of someone, you know, breathing it in, but it's essentially, it changes color like as you're breathing. It's like heat reactive, basically. Heat reactive balaclavas. And I think the leopard one is the really cool one. We also got a black one as well. I also like it just because, you know, you got the big branding on top of the head when you put it on. So you got nice Supreme on it, so it's got some good Supreme branding on it. We like Supreme branding, you know. But yeah, I got these two. I haven't put them up for sale yet because, you know what, I haven't checked the prices. I don't know what they're going for, so I'll take a look and we'll find out then. When the drop happened, if you guys can hear me, when the drop happened, I was trying to get like a couple of colorways. I wanted to get the gray one. I wanted to get the pink one. Unfortunately, I was not able to get them. I'm not sure why. I think Capture kind of screwed me over. With Supreme and box logos, there was still plenty in stock, so I said medium then for a second. I was like, hang on a minute, I'm pretty sure I went for extra large in these. But yeah, we got the forest green box logo, probably one of the more popular colorways, but I think the pink probably hits the spot. Pink's more rarer. I was trying to get the pink one. I kind of got a bit greedy with, you know, trying to multi-card, but oh well. That was my whole fault, but oh well. Box logo number 1, we have forest green. I'm not going to open these just because these will be for sale. It's not a personal, unfortunately. I got the personal last year. I got the camo box logo, so I'm happy with that. But yeah, if you are interested in these, go check out my Instagram, go check out my eBay. I'm selling these at like 200 quid each, so that's actually not too bad of a price considering box logos used to go for like, what, 500? What a time to be a fan of Supreme. And yeah, if you spend, what, like 600 quid less in 2016 for this, and now you can get it again for way cheaper. But yeah, we got the extra large navy one. I do kind of like this. I don't know. Do I want it? I do like the contrasting box logo, but I think my gray one is just as good, so I'm probably gonna, you know, stick to that. But this one is also for sale, extra large. Let me know in the comments or wherever you want to post. Instagram, eBay, you know, let me know. There's a box over there, but that is the hats. These are the hats that I bought that stayed in stock all week. But Supreme decided to take them off the site, which is great for me. And I only got 3 actually, I didn't get 4, because the 4th one was a pink one. I didn't want a pink one. But yeah, these are the Endurance 6-panel. The only reason why I went for them is because I really like the embroidery and the back of it. You know, you got Supreme on the front. This one is the green one. I will show you this in better detail, these really quickly. We got the black one, and then we also went for the white one. I feel like these might be a good hat for the summer, especially when car racing comes back to life. Pretty sure car racing is on like hiatus. It's all pretty much finished. I know Formula 1's finished, so yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Like, no, I don't want to rip them open. But yeah, in the detail, as you can see, wow, these look really nice. I love this green one. This dark green one is very nice. I think this one was the most popular colorway, I would say. Maybe the pink one. I'm not really sure. But yeah, that's probably what it looks like. But that is such a nice hat, you know, to wear if you're into cars, go racing and all that cool stuff. You see, you're rocking Supreme racing. Sick hat. I think these will do well in the future. Move everything out the way now, guys, because we are here for the last and the final piece. This might be a long video, so apologies for that. But yeah, you got a lot of stuff, guys. If you do enjoy it, like I said, leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. We've got the last box, and you're probably thinking what it is. You probably should know. It is the puffer jacket, the reversible one. I won't lie to you, I've already seen it. I've made a video already. Not me wearing it, but just showing it off on my TikTok or Instagram. So if you are interested in any of those, they'll all be in my description. Guys, I think a lot of people are starting to realize how good this jacket is. I think people didn't like it just because of the price, but honestly, the quality and the design of it, in my opinion, is probably one of the top jackets of fall winter 24. Blazing, but it's my jacket, okay? It's mine. We got it. I'm not sure if it's the right way around. It is. You got the word Supreme there. Let's go take it out and let's take a look. Try not to ruin it though, you know. I did spend a lot of money on this. I'm finding it difficult just to show you guys, but I will be doing B-roll of this with me wearing this and all this cool stuff. This is a size large for reference. I am 5'10", 1 billion pounds, but we don't care about the weight. We care about the fit, man. Height, weight, I don't know. Does weight even matter? I don't know. Like I said, I'm starting to buy stuff, but I'm starting to buy like smaller stuff just because, you know, I want to kind of like motivate myself to, you know, lose weight so that I can, you know, enjoy this more in fashion. I don't like wearing nice pieces when you're big, you know. That's why I'm aiming towards getting fit. Shall we try it on? Obviously, the main reason why this jacket is so goddamn fire is because it's reversible. Boom, you're in Burberry form. This was not even shown until like the last minute. You see the word Supreme on it? This is the ARC logo, Supreme on the back. So if you want to wear it on the Burberry side or this flannel side, you've got this on the back, which is sick. But let's go try on. Cozy, man, I'm cozy as fuck. Like I said, guys, I'll be doing better B-rolls of this so you guys get a better idea of what this actually looks like. It's very hard to, you know, crouch down and show you guys because it's a little bit difficult on this camera angle, you know. But yeah, this side, yeah, there's not much on the back on this one. Well, obviously it's the reversible side, so shall we check it out? Let's go. It's quite easy to do on the reverse side. It's as simple as done, just like that. It's like magic, you know. I will say this though, guys, the reverse side does feel, I think, nicer. Because you get this like this Lockhart wool. And if your skin's kind of weird, it might itch you. But obviously, if you're wearing a hoodie, which I think most people will be wearing a hoodie under this. If you're like in the Burberry side, this is what it is. Shit's fire. You probably might want to see it, you know, zipped up. I've never bought like a puffer jacket before. This is probably my favorite one, only because of the whole reversible side. I just get more into Burberry though. I do personally prefer the other side. The Burberry is just a nicer touch, in my opinion. It's nicer to see on the lining side, but you know, it might be a little bit too crazy on, you know, wearing this on the outside. I still think it's pretty cool. Guys, I think it's time to end this video. It's been on for quite some time, but yeah, massive unboxing. Guys, let me know how well you did last week. Did you manage to hit on the box logo? Did you go for some other personal items? Did you do what I did and spend a lot of money on a jacket that you probably don't need? But hey, it's still pretty cool. Yeah, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I know a lot of people were saying in my shorts video that they really like this jacket. So yeah, I feel like this one might be quite popular in the future, in my opinion. If we get a bit more winter, I'd be wearing it a lot more. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in another video. We got Spider coming up this week. So yeah, you'll be seeing another video on that very soon. Oh, it's such a warm jacket. I'm so warm in here. But yeah, oh.